Hello and welcome, Greg here from Volkswagen Advanced Center X. I'm sharing with you today this approved used Volkswagen Transporter Kombi Highline. Before we continue, make sure to check out the description below as it's packed full of upgraded extras. Key highlights will include these gorgeous full LED headlights with LED daytime running lights, as well as front and rear fog lights when visibility drops, whilst around the side you've also got these upgraded alloy wheels. In the rear there are also signature shaped tail lights for your transporter, and the boot space is absolutely cavernous, featuring material lining all round with an upgraded sound system, as well as rubberized flooring and tailgates to tie down any loose items. Quick glimpse in the front of the car will also offer an upgraded interior with decorative door and dash inserts, and these more upgraded front seats with twin armrests. The driver will certainly enjoy this leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel operating the TFT screen. There's music, Bluetooth and a host of assistants all at your fingertips, and the center touchscreen features a number of physical shortcuts offering FM and DAB radio, media source inputs, as well as easy-to-pair Bluetooth telephony. Other clever features will incorporate App Connect with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and there's an adjustable sound system for the music fans amongst you. Helping you park is also a reverse parking camera with front and rear sensors. Moving down the cabin, there's also a heated front windscreen on offer with parking sensors, as well as easy to use air conditioning complemented by winter pack heated front seats, and there are even power sliding doors. This has been a presentation of the approved used Volkswagen Transporter Kombi Highline that is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today.